May we please have a huge round of applause for all our speakers for today, who have spared their valuable time to be here to talk to us about innovating, involving, inspiring and integrating individuals for managing global organizations. Now we'll be moving on to the HR Awards. May I request Professor Dr. Gurinder Singh sir, along with all the dignitaries on the dais, to please come forward to confer these awards on the worthy winners. I would also request Ambassador Agarwal and Commodore Rajan Bhandari sir to please come forward. Again, these awards are given on some particular parameters and a stringent procedure is followed to find out who the actual winner would be. Amity is proud to confer the Amity HR Excellence Award on Godrej Consumer Products Limited. May we please request Mr. Sunil Dhodi to please come forward, sir, and receive the award. May we have a huge round of applause for Godrej Consumer Products Limited receiving the Amity HR Excellence Award. We have Mr. Sunil Dhodi receiving the award. A louder round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, the worthy winners of the Amity HR Excellence Award. Amity is proud to confer the Amity Excellence Award for the best talent management practices, and that goes to Engineering Projects India Limited. May I please request Shri SPS Bakshi sir to please come forward and receive the award. We have Engineering Projects India Limited receiving the award for best talent management practices. A louder round of applause for the worthy winner. May we have a huge round of applause as Shri SPS Bakshi, CMD of Engineering Projects India Limited, receiving the most prestigious Amity Excellence Award for the best talent management practices. Amity is proud to confer the HR Excellence Award for E-Human Resource Management, and it has been bestowed on Lemon Mobiles. May I please request Mr. Anil B, Chief Human Resources Officer, to please come forward to receive the award. Lemon Mobiles receiving the prestigious Amity HR Excellence Award for E-Human Resource Management. We have Mr. Anil Bir, Chief Human Resources Officer. A louder round of applause for all the winners. Amity is proud to confer the HR Excellence Award for the team effort, and that goes to UB Group. May I please request Mr. Suresh Tiwari to please come forward and receive the award. Mr. Suresh Tiwari from UB Group. This is Amity HR Excellence Award for team effort. A louder round of applause. These awards have gone to a very few companies, very worthy companies. Amity HR Excellence Award for Global Business Management goes to ZTE Telecom India Private Limited. May we please have Mr. Rahul Chaudhary. Mr. Rahul Chaudhary from ZTE Telecom India Private Limited to please come forward and receive the prestigious Amity HR Excellence Award for Global Business Management. A louder round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Amity is proud to confer the HR Excellence Award on Paramount Cables. May I please request Mr. S.K. Suri, GM Marketing, to please come forward and receive the award. We have Paramount Cables. Paramount Cables. Any representative? Amity is proud to confer its HR Excellence Award on Modi Revlon. May I please request Ms. Manisha Chutani, Deputy Manager HR, to please come forward and receive the award. A louder round of applause for Modi Revlon receiving the Amity HR Excellence Award. Amity HR Excellence Award for Performance Management has been bestowed on Parsona Developers Limited. May I please request Mr. A.C. Pathak, AGM, HRD and Admin, to please come forward and receive the award. Amity HR Excellence Award for Performance Management to Mr. A.C. Pathak. A huge round of applause for all the worthy winners. Mr. A.C. Pathak from Parsona Developers receiving the HR Excellence Award. The HR Excellence Award for the Emerging Leader in HR Practices has gone to Mr. Tanuj Vaid from Jubilant Chemsys. Amity HR Excellence Award for Emerging Leader in HR Practices has gone to Jubilant Chemsys. We have Mr. Tanuj Vaid receiving the award. A huge round of applause for Jubilant Chemsys. Amity is proud to confer the HR Excellence Award for Talent Acquisition, and that has gone to Axis Bank Limited. May we please have Dr. Narinder Bhasin, Vice President and Branch Head, Axis Bank. Moving on, Amity is proud to confer the HR Excellence Award for Leadership Development, and that has gone to BSI Management Systems India. Do we have Mr. Venkataram Arabolo, MD and Country Head? Amity is proud to confer the HR Excellence Award for Strategic HR, and that goes to Ballarpur Industry Limited. May we please have Mr. S. Mohan, Vice President HR, to please come forward and receive the award. A huge round of applause for Mr. S. Mohan receiving the HR Excellence Award for Strategic HR that has gone to Ballarpur Industry Limited. A loud round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. All the worthies winners shortlisted after stringent procedure. Amity is proud to confer the HR Excellence Award for Global Business Management, and that has gone to TriStar Industrial Tools Private Limited. May we please have Mr. M. Najam Siddiqui to please come forward and receive the award. TriStar Industrial Tools Private Limited receiving the HR Excellence Award for Global Business Management. Amity is proud to confer the HR Excellence Award for Performance Management, and that goes to Shapurj Palonji and Company Limited. May we please have Mr. Varghese Matthew. Mr. Varghese Matthew to please come forward and receive the award. A louder round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. The HR Excellence Award for Performance Management. Mr. Varghese Matthew receiving on behalf of Shapurj Palonji and Company Limited. Amity is proud to confer the HR Excellence Award on Star News. May I please request Mr. Satyaki Bhattacharjee to please come forward and please receive the award. Amity HR Excellence Award to Star News. We have Mr. Satyaki Bhattacharjee receiving the award. A louder round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We have the team from Star News here. Amity is proud to confer the HR Excellence Award for the team effort, and that goes to Prabhatam Advertising Private Limited. May I please request Mr. Uday Nagpal to please come forward. Mr. Uday Nagpal and Mr. Rakesh Sharma. Mr. Rakesh Sharma, the CEO of Prabhatam Group, along with his team. Mr. Uday Nagpal. A louder round of applause for Mr. Rakesh Sharma and his team for receiving the Amity HR Excellence Award for team effort. Amity is proud to confer the HR Excellence Award for Performance Management on Deki Electronics. May we please have Mr. Vinod Sharma, Managing Director, sir, to please come forward along with his team. Mr. Vinod Sharma, the Managing Director, and his team receiving the Amity HR Excellence Award for Performance Management. A huge round of applause for Deki Electronics receiving this prestigious award. Amity is proud to confer the HR Excellence Award on Intel Capital Limited. May I please invite Ms. Purva Sukhija to please come forward and receive the award. Ms. Purva from Intel Capital Limited. Amity is proud to confer the HR Excellence Award on the Satyam Software Solution Private Limited. May we please have Ms. Neha Bharti. Ms. Neha to please come forward and receive the HR Excellence Award on behalf of Satyam Software Solution Private Limited. A loud round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. The worthy winners for this Amity HR Excellence Award. Amity is proud to confer the HR Excellence Award for team effort, and that goes to Orton Cables. May we please have Mr. Sahil Vadhera, the HR head, to please come forward and receive the award on behalf of Orton Cables. Orton Cables receiving Amity HR Excellence Award for team effort. A louder round of applause for Mr. Sahil Vadhera receiving the award. Amity is proud to confer the HR Excellence Award for team effort on Fortis Healthcare. May we please have Ms. Alphonse to please come forward and receive the award. A loud round of applause for the team of Fortis Healthcare receiving the Amity HR Excellence Award. The Amity HR Excellence Award for the Young Manager goes to Ms. Rukhsana Parveen Haq, Assistant General Manager from Shapurji Palonji. May we please have Ms. Rukhsana come forward and receive the award. A louder round of applause for the worthy winner of Amity HR Excellence Award for Young Manager. Amity HR Excellence Award for Best Woman HR Head goes to Ms. Alphonse Maddock, Head HR, Fortis Healthcare. May we please have Ms. Alphonse Medoc, Head HR from Fortis Healthcare, receiving the prestigious Amity HR Excellence Award for Best Women HR Head. A louder round of applause. Amity is proud to confer the HR Excellence Award for Global Business Development on Bharti Airtel Limited. May I please request Mr. Sukesh Jain, to please go forward and receive the award. Mr. Sukesh Jain, Chief Operating Officer, Bharti Airtel Limited, receiving the prestigious Amity HR Excellence Award for Global Business Development. A loud round of applause for all the winners of the day who have received the prestigious HR awards, which were gone through the stringent procedure, a lot of shortlisting, voting, analyzing the reports. Once again, may we have a huge round of applause for all the winners. We thank you, sir, for giving away the awards to the worthy winners. With this, we have come to an end of our inaugural session for Global HR Summit. This is the 7th Global HR Summit. All the speakers have spent their valuable time to be with us and talk about innovating, involving, inspiring and integrating individuals for managing global organization. It's been fortune for us to have you all here. Thank you so much, sir, once again for your time. A huge round of applause for all the speakers. I request students to be seated for a while till our guests leave.